Need to send the same email to hundreds or even thousands of subscribers? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send bulk emails with Brevo step by step. We'll cover preparing your contact list, creating a professional email campaign, selecting recipients, and sending your emails while following good email marketing practices. First, open the Brevo website and sign in to your account. Before creating a campaign, make sure your contact list is ready. Head over to the Contacts section and confirm that your subscribers have already been imported and organized into the correct list. Next, open the Campaigns section and click Create Campaign. Choose an email campaign, then enter a campaign name, your sender name, sender email address, and a clear, engaging subject line that encourages people to open your message. Now it's time to design your email. You can use one of Brevo's ready-made templates or create your own with the drag-and-drop editor. Add your logo, text, images, call-to-action buttons, and any other content that fits your message. Keeping the design simple and easy to read often leads to better results. Once your email is finished, choose the contact list that should receive your campaign. You can select one or multiple lists depending on your audience. So take a moment to double-check your recipient selection before moving on. Before sending your bulk email, preview everything carefully. Review the layout, images, links, and formatting. It's also a smart idea to send yourself a test email so you can see exactly how it will look in a real inbox before sending it to everyone else. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. After it's sent, Brevo will begin delivering your emails, and you can track important metrics like opens, clicks, and delivery performance from your reporting dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send bulk emails with Brevo in 2026. With a well-prepared contact list and a carefully reviewed campaign, you're ready to reach your audience more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and digital marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.